The content presented may contain depictions of illegal activities, violence, and other material that some viewers may find offensive or disturbing. All content is for educational, documentary, or entertainment purposes only. Viewer discretion is strongly advised.
Highway 1, northbound, going up to Caraway Road. 37 for C14. Georgetown, 545 North, white mountain red t-shirt, brown pants. Still northbound, going through Fox Meadow, traffic's medium, speed's 100.
I've got an address on Kingsbury.
White mountain beer, maybe 30s, 40s.
The arrest car is going to be suspended. Riley McCarthy, 916-855-464.
Just went north through Parker Road, ran the red light.
More jump right before the wreck.
Still northbound through Apache. Speeds are about 80. Traffic's starting to get heavy. Turn eastbound on Highland. Oncoming traffic right now. Eastbound, coming up to Chuck E. Cheese. Speed's about 80, medium traffic. About wrecked, turn south on block. Stupid. Oh. Stand up, work with you. Okay, stand up. Jonesboro. He turned south on Watt, went to the field. He wrecked 10:15. Not see it, state police that you were running from?
What?
Did you not see it, state police that you were running from?
I was just trying to...
14, do you need a 1016 for anybody?
You ever been arrested before?
Yeah, I've been arrested.
For what? No, if he was going slow, just laid it over.
Simple.
What have you been arrested for?
4 Jungle, what are you buying?
14-4. He went to the field in the grass. He was going slow. He just laid it over.
10-4, so no 10-16.
Are you hurt? Negative. He obviously wasn't hurt. You have a license on you?
Okay, so look in the clear part. No, clear part, yeah.
Gotcha. Have you ever been arrested for a felony?
My license is good.
Okay. Have you ever been arrested for a felony?
Does that count for charges or just...
Have you... What I'm getting at here is you turned a ticket into a felony. Okay. You know what? It really was. You put yourself in
No
danger.
rush, just whenever you get off training, just give me a call.
Simple.
I don't know what the fuck I was...
Man, I don't know either.
Want that bridge that goes from Highland to Middleton?
You want to check all my parts?
Yeah, it's the road right next to Dollar General. Huh? I just put it on. I wouldn't tighten it or anything yet. Nothing on you?
No.
Have you drank anything today?
No, I just...
Because I smell it on you. That's what I'm asking. Huh?
I just know what's about to happen.
You're gonna go to jail. Yeah. That's pretty apparent. Have you drank anything though? I smell not alcohol on you, huh? Can't hear you. Can't hear you. Man, the seal's not even broke on this. Why'd you walk over here? Come back over here.
34. Go ahead.
14, John, so you can clear it.
34, go ahead.
It's the 40-mile mark of the northbound Tennessee Boyd Lawyer Track 1909. Be a white F-150.
What's up? Alright, walk back here. Hold on. Alright, have a seat. Forward, John, I got a deal when you're ready.
Got it.
916-855-464.
Or you need 29 anywhere.
And you go and check them. I'll check ICC for the junk work right there.
That was crazy.
Huh?
I actually saw you.
Did you?
I was turning around in a parking lot, right?
Also next 1011 motorcycle.
Yeah, I was turning around in the parking lot. When I turned around, I just seen you fly.